Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Flippin Friday challenge, which is hosted monthly by Jaime from Board or Bananas. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Of course, I have to flip something, and I'm going to do this with this prop, I think. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. Hope you know that already. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box also. If you want to pay a visit, we will be very happy. And one of the things we found, I think it was at Ulta, was this prop and another one that I'm going to flip some other day, which was this color originally and has this the brand of the products that came here. So I spray painted it white. I will probably add something here, but I still couldn't decide what I'm going to write or do with this space, so just imagine that it says something here. And I'm going to use it to organize some stuff. Many of you already know these cute mini drawers boxes from Dollar Tree, so I got me several of them, and I have one here. I'm going to cover them with this cardboard, corrugated, this one that I got many years ago from a store, and I spray painted several pieces with this Rust-Oleum paint, which is weather steel, to give it a look like metallic. If you don't have this kind of, you probably don't have this kind of cardboard, you can use any box and you remove one of the sides and you get something similar. And believe me, when you spray paint it, it looks like corrugated metal. So I painted the inside of all of them with this acrylic that we also found in the dumpster. I don't know, I have silver acrylic for the rest of my life. And I also painted the borders of the flower and this part of the cardboard, because it's not going to be seen, but just in case it gives it a better look. So after painting everything, I'm gluing the cardboard to the box or drawer. So I'm going to finish adhering these two sides. Of course, I did a better job with the other boxes because I had more time, but I think it's working. So let's glue it like so, and voila, we have one container. I already adhered a tag with the indication of what is going to be in here. So I made 3 of them. This one, sorry. Things happen when you are recording a video. And this one. I didn't have 3 tags that were exactly the same, so I'm going to use one and the other that are the same shape, and this one which is different in the center. So now I'm going to place them in these spaces. As you can see, they fit perfectly, and I think they look great. My handwriting doesn't look great, but I think that someday I'm going to change these tags because I hate my handwriting. But for the time being, it's going to do the trick. Then I have these notepads that they were longer. I cut them for them to fit in here. I can also use post-it, but I have this at hand, so I decided to place them there. And on this side I'm going to use the space to add some clips. But I have this box, but it's always far away from my desk, so I have to stand up and go to look for them whenever I need them. So I want to have them closer. So there you have them. I love the colors, pastel colors. Wow. As you can see, this is really useful. So the last thing I'm going to add to make this look even better, at least for me, is I'm going to add this clip here. I wanted a smaller one, but I couldn't find one, so I'm going to use this. I bought them a long time ago on Amazon, and I think I have like 200 of them, or maybe even more. So as it happens with the silver acrylic, I have clips for the rest of my life also. And the last detail, well, let me add the things that are supposed to go here. My white markers. I love having everything organized and not rolling around. Here I have my Sharpies. I love Sharpies, as you can see. I have a lot of different colors. And I mainly use the golden and silver. I use them a lot. And my gel pens. I have them in several colors also. So now I can have them really close to me on my desk and not on a shelf as they used to be. And I think this is perfect. I love it. So now I'm going to add something to this clip, and it's a picture of the most important person in my life, which is my beautiful daughter, the most beautiful girl in the world. Don't you dare to tell anything to the contrary, okay? Let's be friends. So, as you can see, it was a very easy flip, and it's going to help my life, to keep my life organized a lot. And in a few minutes, because it was just spray painting and adding what took the most was adding the corrugated cardstock to the cardboard, to the little boxes. All the other things were just a breeze, as you could see. So this is my final project. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Jaime for always hosting this challenge, which I really love. Please visit her channel and watch the videos in the playlist. And you may visit our dumpster diving channel too. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much to all of you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.